Hey everyone, this is Travis with Full Spectrum Laser. We just showed you how to unbox and how to set up the Muse Titan, and now we're going to show you how to get it up and running. Before we install the honeycombs, we want to make sure the gantry is pushed all the way back. So just gently push it and make sure it's in the back of the machine. Now that the honeycomb is installed in the machine, let's turn it on. When you first turn on your Muse Titan, this screen will pop up. The Muse Titan is a fire hazard because you will be lasering materials that are flammable. So keep a fire extinguisher on hand at all times and never leave it unattended. Just push agree to continue. This is the menu screen for your Muse Titan. At the top you will have your menu icons, then you will have your laser and jog controls, and then at the bottom you will have the status icons. The status icons show your network connectivity, your water flow, and your lid sensor. To connect wirelessly to your network, select the network icon at the top, and then the Wi-Fi icon will be next. This will list all of your networks that are available, and then you select yours, enter your password, and it should connect directly to your wireless. It is still best to connect with an Ethernet cable, so that's what we are going to do now. Once your Muse Titan is connected, the IP address will show up in the blue bar at the top of the screen. Remember this number as we will need it later. Now that the Titan's connected to the network, let's connect to RE3. This is where we will need the IP address I had you remember earlier. Plug that into the browser URL bar. This should take you directly into RE3 to where you can start creating. And with that, you should be good to go. We would love to see some of your creations, so make sure you share it with us. Also, we have an awesome Facebook community and a support team that is there to help you out in case you need anything. Like and subscribe for more content, and we'll see you next time.